Hello everyone, is your car struggling with rough shifting, incorrect speed readings, or transmission slipping? If your OBD-II scanner shows code P0792, intermediate shaft speed sensor A circuit high, it means your transmission is getting incorrect speed signals leading to serious shifting issues. But don't worry, I'll explain what P0792 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the key sensors and components to fix it. Let's dive in. What is P0792? The P0792 trouble code appears when the transmission control module detects an abnormally high voltage signal from the intermediate shaft speed sensor. This sensor helps the TCM determine the rotational speed of the intermediate shaft, which is essential for proper gear shifting. Symptoms of P0792 include harsh or delayed gear shifts, erratic or incorrect speedometer readings, transmission slipping or failing to shift gears, check engine light and transmission warning light on, poor acceleration and reduced fuel efficiency. If you're experiencing these problems, let's locate the main sensors and components responsible for P0792. Sensor and component locations, where to find them. To diagnose P0792, check these critical components. Intermediate shaft speed sensor. Location, mounted on the transmission case near the intermediate shaft. Function, measures the speed of the intermediate shaft and sends data to the TCM. Transmission control module. Location, usually found on or near the transmission housing, firewall, or under the dashboard. Function, uses data from the ISS sensor to control gear shifting, input and output speed sensors. Location, both sensors are mounted on the transmission case near the input and output shafts. Function, works with the intermediate shaft sensor to ensure accurate speed readings. Wiring and connectors. Location, runs between the ISS sensor, TCM, and other speed sensors. Function, transfers speed data. Damaged or corroded wiring can disrupt signals and cause incorrect readings. Common causes of P0792: faulty intermediate shaft speed sensor, ISS, sending an abnormally high signal. 2. Wiring or connector issues, short circuits, corrosion, or broken wires in the ISS circuit. 3. Malfunctioning transmission control module, TCM, processing incorrect speed data. 4. Dirty or low transmission fluid, can cause erratic sensor readings and shifting problems. 5. Magnetic interference or metal debris, affecting sensor readings inside the transmission. 6. Failing input or output speed sensors. Incorrect data can impact intermediate shaft readings. How to fix P0792. Step 1. Check the intermediate shaft speed sensor, ISS. Test it with a multimeter for voltage issues. Step 2. Inspect the transmission control module, TCM. Scan for additional error codes and reset if needed. Step 3. Examine wiring and connectors. Look for loose, corroded, or damaged wiring in the ISS circuit. Step 4. Check transmission fluid condition. Ensure it's clean and at the proper level. Step 5. Test input and output speed sensors. Ensure they are working correctly. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and check if the issue is resolved. Final words. A P0792 intermediate shaft speed sensor issue can cause major shifting problems and transmission failure. Checking the ISS sensor, wiring, TCM, and fluid condition is key to fixing this error. Watch these related videos next. P0450 EVAP pressure sensor malfunction. P0451 EVAP pressure sensor performance issue. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.